I would recommend anyone that's looking to implement an ERP system to really dedicate the time and give people the opportunity to become part of the process. It's a big change for people. There's a sense of insecurity. We get used to doing things a certain way, and it's sometimes uncomfortable just to change. To review processes that we were doing, and some processes needed to change. Doing it from an open Excel-driven system to a systemized ERP system, some things needed to change. And change management, getting people to understand where we were wanting to move to and getting them on board with those decisions. That's, I think, one of the first things that we really learned is how inaccurate our previous inventory management systems were and how subject they were to human error. Epicor allows very easy creation of dashboards for any data set, and it is the driving force for all decisions.